have the idea on how to identify a true structure in the market, then you will now have problem in identifying this pattern. So as you can see, if I can identify a break of structure in the market, all I look for is inducement. Then after market takeout inducement, I look for the available POI. Then I place my entry. It's that simple. But the problem is, for you to identify this structure, then you have to master this stuff. You have to, this is SMC, so you need to understand how to identify the valid inducement, valid POI, valid break of structure, and so on. So as you see in this trade, when the market, I had a trade here, I explained this in my previous video. Market gave us break of structure, no break of structure without inducement. So if the market is not taking out inducement, either small or big inducement, sometimes inducement can be like this. A market will take it out. Sometimes it will create very small one. It will come and take it out. Sometimes it will create big one again. It will come back and take it out. So these are the structure. This is how you have to be viewing the market. No inducement, no break of structure. So for me, you see, let me explain through the last video. Market gave us break of structure to the up, and you see this market came back to come and take this inducement. Then mitigate this other block, the market push up. So I waited for the same scenario. I want the market to come back because I can identify that this is my inducement. This one is not valid pullback because if you look at it, it's inside this candle. All this move are inside this one candle. So it's inside this one big candle. So it's not a valid pullback. So this is where we have the pullback, which serves as inducement. So you wonder why the market come back here after giving a break of structure. All these are not break of structure. These stuffs are not break of structure. No, this is not inducement. No. So if you want to know this, you can just drop a comment or you just contact me, message me on my page, and I will explain more on that. So you see, market had to come back here. Why? Market mitigate this other flow, other block, and what happens? Market reacted. So I just waited for for market to mitigate. I just waited for market to mitigate this other block, and since it's only other block and I was not on chart when this happened, so market has already moved a little bit. So I say, okay, I have another level of another defense level, or let me say an entry techniques that I use. So since I understand the market is likely to push up, and this seems to be our trend line liquidity, sometimes I call it counter trend line. So then I understand that this is going to be the money the market is coming out for, since it has taken the inducement. So I waited because I can't just jump in here. So I waited for extra confirmation, and as you see, immediately I see a candle, bullish candle, break through this trend line. Then I set my entry and I target my 1 to 4 straight. And you see, since then, market has been bullish. Market has been bullish. That's all I want to see in the market. So if I'm to look for the same process in this situation now, I will call this my inducements, and I want market to come back to my valid POI here. Then this is the extreme. Let me see if I have an extreme POI here. Yes, I don't think, okay, there's a gap here. So I think there should be a kind of other block here. So in this market only respects 2 other blocks according to what I was taught, or according to my experience in the market. Market only respects 2 other blocks. It's either this or this. It's either this is called decisional, this is called extreme. So, but this is high probability. If you look at it, it's the only extreme close to our previous low. So it makes it high probability. This also make it high probability. Let me give you guys some things. You see, if the market do something like this and take out this inducement and market push up, you see this low is very, very high probability because this inducement has been taken out. Then this level serve as our what? As our valid POI. So this setup is often like repeat itself in the market and is very, very high probability. So if you can look for this, then this will make it a break of structure. So if you can look for this in the market, then this will improve your trading outcome. So that's it, guys. In the next video, if you have any comments or if you want me to explain more on some of the things that I've explained there, you can just drop the comment in the video so that I'll look at it and come up with a video. So thank you, guys. Bye.